So today I am going to show you guys how I go from, I washed my hair earlier and it's completely dry, and I'm going to show how I go from this to my big volume fro. So stay tuned and see how I do this. Basically all you're going to need is some clips, some oil, and a pick. So I'm gonna first start off on this side, and I'm gonna put some oil in my hands just so my hair doesn't get super frizzy. And I'm just gonna take a little section, just clip this over here. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take see, this is a big clump. I'm just gonna slowly part it. Where is that? Oh, there it is. Okay. You don't want to do this when your hair is wet or damp, because it will just get turned into a big frizz mess. So I recommend letting it dry and then going back in. Maybe diffuse your hair if you're in a rush, but I just air dried mine while I ran some errands, and then I came back, and you can already see it's getting bigger, this little section right here. So just going to continue to take apart my curls. To avoid frizz, you want to keep oil in your hands. I don't mind some frizz. I really don't care about definition. I'm more of a volume girl. So it's already getting bigger. And then after you finish this step, you'll go back in with the pick. So see how all this is clumped together. I'm going to take this apart. But all you're doing is taking apart. Someone literally asked me, how do I get my hair so big? And I was like, your pick is your best friend. If you guys want a wash and go tutorial, I can show you my wash and go process. Like I said, I don't really care for curl definition. Like, I put oil in my hands, but your hair is going to get frizzy. There's just no way around it. But like in the back is where my curls clump up the most, but the back of my hair is also more coarse. So just take it apart, And what I do is I stretch it out, and I just find like the natural separation. That's what you want to go for. You want to find a natural separation just to avoid more frizz. So, and I'm in a really bad need of a shape. Like, my bangs have gotten so long, it's ridiculous. The front half of my hair grows so fast, and the back of my hair, the longer it gets, the more shrinkage I have, which is so weird. I have like 2 different textures, and they grow completely different. So I need to shape my hair really bad, but I mean, it doesn't look too bad. Okay, and I'm just going to continue to separate the back part. Okay, I'm just going to see if I can grab any big curls left. That's still wet. God, I literally washed my hair like 9 hours ago. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with the pick, and I just pick my roots. Just pick my roots out. And I wish I had my hair cut. It looks a lot better, but I can always come back and show you guys that. Dee. Look at that. You can also flip your head upside down and do this as well. Yee. This side looks a little bit. Okay. And there you have it. I'll probably play with this some more. My hair is still a little bit wet on this side. I'm pretty sure that's why this still looks like that. But here you guys go. This is how I flip out my hair. As you can see, we got a little bit more volume going. If you guys want some more tips and tricks like this, let me know. I can work on that for you guys. This is the finished product. I finished picking out. Usually I'll just pick and pick and pick and pick and pick until it's as big as I want it. If you're already not a part of the naughty gang, if you're not a naughty curl, go ahead and like, and don't forget to subscribe. Share this link with your friends and family. I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.